In this video, you're joining us on the island of Samos. As you can see on the map, we took a ferry from a nearby island called Samos. Perhaps like us, you've never heard of Samos. This is our first experience with it, so come with us while we have a look around. Just starting our morning walk here in Samos. This is the street our apartment's on. Our apartment is through that door and up just where that balcony there is. Very nice apartment. I'll put a link to it in one of our videos. Right, we're heading to a beach. Don't ask me what it's called. Can't remember. Right, so we're heading out that way, around that little headland there. Oh, can you get attacked by a dog? Oh no, he was telling that other dog off. And if you look down this way, straight across to the far side there, the other side of the harbour, that's where the blimmin' ferry dropped us off yesterday, on the other side of the harbour to what we were thinking. And there were, well, if there are buses, we never saw any. We did see a bus stop. There was a couple of taxis and a lot of people coming off the ferry. So then we had a 3-kilometre walk around the harbour and then up to here on this side where we thought the ferry would come in. That was painful. But on the positive side, it wasn't 1:30 AM in the morning like we were scheduled to come in. It was just after midday because of our delay in Samos because of the wind. But yeah, top tip there, be prepared to come into that ferry port over there. I think it's called Malaga, something like that, as opposed to the actual Vathy one where this little blue ferry's coming in. So the big ferries come in on the other side. That's a steep set of stairs. Right, this way. There we go, there's 2 beaches. Gagou and Roditses. Wow, what a beautiful house. Okay, so there's the entrance to one beach. That's the closer one. We do the closer one on the way back or the way there? Way back, okay. We're leaving that one for now. There we go, down this way. And you might have noticed on the sign it says Samos Green Island. And that's because Samos has a lot of trees. It's the first thing we noticed when we were coming in on the ferry. A lot more trees here than the other Greek islands. Here is the beach. That looks pretty darn nice. I love how there's an abandoned tagged building over the background, but then you got this beautiful idyllic beach to swim at. Not a sandy beach, it's a pebbly beach. We've got nice bean bags and chairs here you can rent. We're just going to put our towel on the stones down there. That'll do us. Okay, time to have a quick look at how clear the water is here compared to other beaches we've been to. There are fish here that bite your feet quite hard, as Sarah found out. Hopefully we'll see some. Yeah,
Four of them.
they were circling you, yeah. They give a good nip, these ones.
Yep.
Not too busy at this time of the day. Right, we're going to walk back to that other beach and check that out now. You can see there's quite a few people's towels and things here, but not many people. They might have come and reserved them for later. I'm guessing it gets very busy later. But yeah, really nice beach. Close to Samos, very close. Here's the entrance to our other beach that we found. Oh, it looks a bit deeper here. So the other beach had sand once you got in. This one's got stones. We don't think there's sea urchins, but we're going to wear our shoes just in case. It might be a bit warmer here. Maybe it's because I've been in already. Right, let's see how clear it is. Well, that was a nice beach for a swim. It's a bit more run down and rustic. Actually changing shed. But no, it's really nice. It was there was no sea urchins or anything. Water seemed nice and clear. But yeah, the other beach was a bit more sandy. But the fish didn't bite us as much there. Don't know what's going on with this place. That looks like almost a new place. But I don't think it's ever been finished. Look at the pool there and all the weeds. Yeah, it looks very new. That's a shame. Wonder it's never been completed. It's got curtains. Oh, maybe it is complete, but just the outside's not looked after. Alright, so we're just heading out to find a bakery for lunch, but there's a sign here pointing to a bakery just down the road from our apartment, so we'll see if we can find it. Very quiet around here. Just local people, really. Happy local people. I think the bakery's shut on a Sunday. Yeah, shut today, isn't it?
Yeah.
Yeah. Right, we'll have to go down to the main street. Oh, that's good. We can show you the main street. Didn't take long to get down here. There's a few Coast Guard boats here. We thought they were naval boats, but they're Coast Guard boats. And over there, that's the ferry we're going to take. The white one, not the blue ones. The white one's the ferry that we're going to take day after tomorrow. The high winds we had a couple of days ago seem to have died down. So this is Samos, the main town of Samos Island. It's very pretty. Looks like there might be a free outdoor concert tonight. Just a quick walkthrough video of our apartment in Samos in Greece. It's the Green Studio House apartment. Couch, coffee table, nice big TV. Buzzing sound down here is the extractor fan in the bathroom. Nice shower, all tiled again as normal in Europe. Nice good sized kitchen, fridge, full oven, and on that right hand side there's a washing machine, air conditioning up there, nice balcony, little balcony here. Not much of a view out there. No, the port is that way I think. And a bedroom. Very nicely set out, and it's got good stuff, you know, good pots and pans and all that sort of thing. Yeah, really nice.